You might think you've seen it all when it comes to space exploration. But what if I told you there's a new player in town that's shaking things up? SpaceX, the brainchild of Elon Musk, has been making waves and giving the National Aeronautics and Space Administration a run for its money. Imagine rockets that can land themselves, reducing the cost of space travel dramatically. SpaceX has turned this sci-fi dream into reality with its Falcon 9 rockets. Meanwhile, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, with its decades of experience, has achieved countless milestones. SpaceX has achieved something remarkable, the ability to reuse rockets. This is a game changer, drastically cutting down the costs of launching payloads into space. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, traditionally reliant on expendable rockets, is now catching up. Now let's talk about speed. SpaceX operates with a sense of urgency that the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, with its bureaucratic layers, sometimes lacks. This allows SpaceX to iterate quickly, test frequently, and innovate continuously. Another captivating aspect is SpaceX's collaboration with the private sector. By partnering with various industries, they've managed to fund and advance their ambitious projects. This approach contrasts with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration's traditional government-funded model. And what about the International Space Station? SpaceX has become a reliable partner in transporting astronauts and supplies, thanks to their Crew Dragon spacecraft. This collaboration has not only been cost-effective, but also increased the frequency of missions. But it's not just about money and speed. SpaceX's vision extends far beyond Earth's orbit. Elon Musk's dream of colonizing Mars is no longer just a fantasy. With the development of the Starship, SpaceX is paving the way for interplanetary travel. Now, let's touch on some fascinating facts. Did you know that SpaceX's Starlink project aims to provide global internet coverage with thousands of satellites? This ambitious venture could revolutionize connectivity worldwide. So, what does the future hold for these two giants? Both have their strengths, but SpaceX's innovative approach and rapid advancements are hard to ignore. As we look to the stars, it's clear that SpaceX is not just a competitor, but a catalyst for change in the world of space exploration. In conclusion, while the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has a legacy of achievements, SpaceX is pushing boundaries and inspiring a new era of possibilities. The race to the stars has never been more exciting.